Another week, another Margarete Miller Collage challenge, another crafty postcard inspired by her 5 weekly prompts. And of course, another fantastical story connecting all the images into one wonderful adventure. Are you curious to join me? Let's get crafting. Here we are. It is already week 43 of this year's Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And we have another 5 prompts plus the bonus prompt from her. And as always, I'm using a 4 by 6 inch index card. It's the size of a postcard to create my collage so I can send it to my mom again in Germany. And so let's start going over the prompts. The first one is a person or an animal in motion. And with this image here, I'm covering the first 3 of the prompts, like something with a lid or the cover of a magazine, and an image from a magazine, and something in motion. So I will use the woman on the bicycle. And then for the next prompt, I'm using a photo from this nature chaos book. Here's something associated with water, and I love this rainbow bit. And I'm using my frame again to find the best image to cut out in postcard size. I will do this off camera, both the fussy cutting of the lady on the bicycle and the nature background. Good. Here we are. It was a little bit fiddly. I love that there is this rainbow on top because the colors in the rainbow, they look a little bit similar to this old lady here. And yeah, let's have a look. Let's play a little bit around, and I will again use my frame that I cut out in the inside is the size of the postcard, so that when I put it on top, I can see what will end up in the final postcard, and it always helps me to place the images. I'm not so good imagining it when I don't have a frame around it, so it makes it much easier for me. And there's this rainbow on top of it is really nice. And I think I will tear a little bit away from the top to put a little bit of washi tape under it. Either this one here I find really nice, and it really, even from the size, it's really fitting. And it's really from the color tone, it's nicely fitting to the postcard. Or even the other one. This one here, it's much darker, but I love that too. Both washi tapes, the entire box you can see there, is Vincent van Gogh inspired washi tape. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, they are both nice, but the color there in her suit is really fitting the lighter washi tape. Yeah, maybe I take the lighter washi tape. Yeah, maybe I take the lighter one. Just cutting off a piece. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ah, okay. Okay, I need to show you something. What I didn't realize is, I don't know if you can see it, it's transparent, this one, and I can see the stripes peeking through the washi tape. I think that seals it. I will just take the darker one because there you can't see the stripes. Oh, that makes it easy to make a decision. I always, when I use washi tape, I put some glue underneath it because it peels off. If I send the postcard through the mail all the way to Germany, it will come off because washi tape is designed to be able to be taken off again. So I make sure I put some glue below. Just cutting off the leftover washi tape here. Yeah. Here's a little bit left on the side still as well. And yeah, I think from the background I will just tear a little bit from the top so that the washi tape can peek through. But while I am doing that and finish my collage postcard, you can lean back and listen to this week's story that I have prepared for you. I hope you will enjoy. On a crisp autumn morning, the sun peeked over the horizon, casting a golden glow across the ocean. The waves danced playfully, whispering secrets to anyone who would listen. Along the shore, an old lady named Mabel pedaled her bicycle, her black-framed glasses perched precariously on her nose. She wore a tight pink suit adorned with colorful stripes and geometric patterns that seemed to shimmer in the sunlight. A fitting Chinese hat sat jauntily atop her head, while a pink scarf fluttered behind her like a vibrant flag. As Mabel cycled along the beach, she felt an unusual energy in the air. The ocean's rhythmic roar was accompanied by an unexpected hum, as if time itself was bending around her. Suddenly, she spotted a golden ripple in the water, shimmering like a portal to another world. Intrigued, she slowed her pace, her heart racing with curiosity. Mabel dismounted her bicycle and approached the shoreline. The golden ripple grew larger, pulsating with an inviting warmth. It beckoned her closer, and without thinking twice, she stepped into the cool water. As she did, the world around her shifted dramatically. In an instant, Mabel found herself standing on a beach unlike anything she had ever seen. The sky was painted with a magnificent rainbow that mirrored the colors of her suit. Vibrant pinks, bold blues, and sunny yellows swirled together in a breathtaking arc above her. The air was filled with laughter and music from unseen sources, and the sand sparkled like diamonds underfoot. "Welcome," a voice called out. Mabel turned to see a young group of children playing nearby, their faces lit with joy and wonder. They were dressed in outfits similar to hers, brightly colored and patterned, each one more extravagant than the last. "Who are you?" Mabel asked, adjusting her glasses as she took in this fantastical scene. "We are the keepers of time," one child exclaimed, bouncing on their toes. "And you found our secret world. We've been waiting for someone like you." Mabel felt a rush of excitement as she realized that this was no ordinary place. It was a realm where time flowed differently, a sanctuary for those who dared to dream. "Can I stay?" Mabel asked eagerly. "Only if you can solve our riddle," another child chimed in with a mischievous grin. "Can you remember the number 83, 83, 83? Mabel thought for a moment and smiled. She was recalling something from when she was a little girl, a number she had chanted over and over again as she could not get it out of her head. It came from a commercial. 500, 83, 83, 83, she sang, dancing in the sunlight. The children erupted in laughter and cheers as colors swirled around them. "You've done it, remembering and allowing your younger self to be here today to sing and dance with you. You've transcended time. This is the key to always be able to come back." The golden ripple reappeared at her feet. With a gentle pull, it enveloped her once more. In an instant, Mabel found herself back on the familiar beach where she had started. The ocean still sparkled under the sun's embrace, but now it felt different, more alive and vibrant than ever before. She hopped back on her bicycle and pedaled along the shore with renewed vigor. The laughter of children echoed in her mind as she imagined their colorful world filled with joy and adventure. As she rode past the golden ripple once more, Mabel smiled knowingly. She knew that every time she looked at the ocean or wore her favorite suit, she would carry that magical moment within her. A reminder that life is full of unexpected journeys waiting just beyond the horizon. And perhaps one day she'd return to that enchanting place where time rippled like waves and dreams danced in vivid colors. Coming to the end, let's get over the prompts one more time. A person or animal in motion. Here's Mabel on her bicycle. On the shoreline, even the scarf is in motion, and something with a lid or cover, an image from a magazine, is of course her from the National Geographic. In the back is something associated with water. This here is the bonus, the washi tape, and on the left side an old telephone number from the commercial. Please leave me a comment below how you liked this week's postcard and fairy tale. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my videos. I say goodbye for today and wish you a wonderful day.